Hello, hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Sorry, it's my first time I'm live streaming on YouTube, so. Hello, hello. Hey. How are you, everyone? Perfect. Yeah, it's the first time I'm live coding for like almost a year, so hope. Can you see the screen at the top right? I just need to do some setup and gonna be good. Perfect. Yeah, this is what I think. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just do something else. One sec. I'm gonna go this way, and I'm gonna go with the. Yeah, perfect. I think I'm gonna get it. Yes, I'm building a small little project. It's just a side project. It's gonna be a portfolio kind of app for all the cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stuff like that. Just because I have some money there and I just want to have a place where I can see my profit and everything. So I'm gonna still use React and Redux. That's gonna be a full stack application. So for now, the thing I've built, it's like I just started almost like 20 minutes ago. So I just really set up the basic of the application. I just put like the nav bar. I just put the cards right now, and I'm just working on this thing. So I'm gonna just do some UI today, and tomorrow I'm gonna surely streaming again, and I'm gonna start to build a Node.js part. So here, the only thing I've done right now is to have set up the portfolio page, and I just set up everything with the Create React app, and I've put my nav bar and my sign up page, etc. So the thing is, I don't want to touch with the sign up and everything. I just want to concentrate myself today about this kind of card. So what I want to do for this page, it's gonna be when you look at your portfolio. It's I think what I want to do is to show each coin you have inside a card, and when you click on them, I'm gonna show a D3 how you say that, like graph, where I can see like your profit and everything, and I want to have a P chart in the top left here where you can see how many percentage of one of this crypto you have in your portfolio. So this is a thing I never really use. It's D3, so that's gonna be a good learning for me. Long time I didn't use yeah, short, thank you. Long time I didn't use the web, so I just want to see. Yeah, I think like a chart like that. D3 basic or D3 tooltip. So this thing gonna, okay, so this thing finally I just think it's overlap and you get some tooltip. Okay, yeah, it's the same thing, it just you have tooltips. Okay, yeah, so I think I'm gonna go with that. I hope it's gonna be pretty easy. So in the instruction, yeah, D3 basic, I think. I think that's can be easy to change. So if you have question, you can always ask me. I mean, I think I have like a 10-second delay, so that's maybe why I'm done responding quickly. But yeah, it's that. Sorry, it's my first time, so it's not. That's surely not gonna be the best one, but. So D3 basic. The thing I don't like about this library is this thing. First thing we see out of date. Last comment was a year ago. Yeah, so for me it's almost a no-go for that. I don't like to work with kind of library where they don't put their time. Oh yeah, I think I have used this thing one day, recharts. Yeah, I think this one can be pretty good, and I think they have my P chart. Yeah, two level P chart. Oh, if you look at this thing, I think that the design start to be a bit better. So yeah, I really think that can be perfect. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna just play with. So I'm gonna set up this thing. Yeah. 1 second. I just don't understand sometimes why my. Now if I get my sketch, yeah, perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just do a bit of design in Sketch. because I have no idea about how I want to set up that. Like I've think about this thing like today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just responsive web desktop. So this is my page. So I have my navbar. It's gonna be just really a quick setup. So I have my navbar like that. So what I want, I think I want my chart to be right there. And after that, maybe I'm gonna want to put some news here. So I'm gonna put news. What do you mean? What this for program? Oh, it's for just for mockups. It's a sketch. Oh yeah, my side project. It's I build a portfolio tracking app for my cryptocurrency. Nothing crazy, just for it's for myself, but in the same time, I'm gonna make it available for everyone. So yeah, that's gonna use the technology I always use, like Node.js and yeah, this is Sketch. Oh yeah, so here, oops, here I'm gonna just have my news, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna maybe just say here I'm gonna have my cards, yeah. So that's gonna be like the main page. Yes, I'm investing in crypto. So that's gonna be my main page here, where I'm gonna have like my cards. And what I maybe want, like, it's to have like a 3 card side by side, like that. And now after that, I can just have like this, something like that, I think. If I do something like this, and now maybe here I can have like a button, and I'm gonna maybe just say load more, because when I'm like, I mean, it's not everyone who gonna have like more than 6 crypto. So if you have more, I'm gonna just put this one right inside. Oops, right inside himself. Why my like this, like that, boom. Then after that, I'm gonna just put some radius. Yeah, I never use Adobe. Like, I mean, I pay this thing like $90, and now I'm using that every time. And I'm on Mac, so I can make use of this one. So, what do you think about that? I think that can, yeah. So here, that's gonna be the card. So here, example, if we look at example, I don't know if you know a bit about more about cryptocurrency, but you have more than one crypto. You have like Bitcoin, you have Ethereum. So example, for me, I have invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum. I have some IOTA, I have Neo, and I have Lisk. And so this is what I want. I want to keep track of the one I've had. So if I go to my sketch, each of my cards is gonna be the one with the logo. So example, if we look at the page I have right now already built, I have put the logo of Ethereum. So yeah, so I think that's gonna be something like that. Oh yeah, you look that too, yeah. Oh yeah, I know Lisk. It's crazy, and I like Lisk, and I mean Lisk. It's awesome for the JavaScript developer too. So yeah, so I think this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna set up this thing. Just like, I mean, I've used like Semantic UI almost like 10 months ago. Never reused the web almost, so it must have layout, I think. Oh yeah, green. Yeah, that's gonna be crazy. So all the grid worked here. Okay, I think they have row. Yeah. So they have row. So we can just take the grids. So I'm gonna go to my portfolio page. I'm gonna import from Semantic UI React. After that, I'm gonna have a grid here. And now you see how much column. So I think they work with the okay, you just say how many, so Oui, hello. Salut. Ouais, toi? Ben, faudrait faire ça vite, là, je travaillais. Ouais, mais je finis dans une demi-heure. Salut. Ouais, salut. Sorry. My brother just called me. So, column. So, from what I've seen, looks like you ask how many column you want, but this is really not something I want because. So here you see 3 columns. Okay. I wrote can automatically. Yeah, I think this is what I'm gonna do. It's because I want to have like the sidebars, or if we look here, I want to separate these things. So I think I'm gonna just do this in Flexbox. That's gonna be pretty much easy. Yeah, I think this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do some Flexbox. So, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna import a style component, and I'm gonna say cons. I don't know, like left side cons container. Yeah, wrapper is maybe better. And I'm gonna say display flex. I'm gonna say flex 1, gonna take the full screen. Yes, yeah, I didn't take time to check CSS grid. Oh yeah, I'm sure it's awesome. It's just like I didn't touch the web for a bit of more time. So what I think I'm maybe gonna do, it's tomorrow I'm gonna maybe just refactoring this thing in CSS grid, just because like I know Flexbox much more, and I just want to make sure like first thing it works. So this is display. Yeah, perfect, it work. So what I'm gonna do, so I think in React Native it's column by default, and in the web it's row, so we good. So here I'm gonna say left wrapper equals style that div, and I'm gonna say I want him to take maybe what 40%, and gonna have a display of flex. So my left side is gonna be there. And just for testing this one, I'm gonna just put my H1 inside this thing, and for the right wrapper, I'm gonna say take the other space. So I'm gonna say take the flex 1, and we're gonna say display flex. And right wrapper gonna go there. Yeah, kind of that. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, so I didn't talk really about that. It's what I'm gonna do, it's when you enter to the website, you're gonna like sign up, you're gonna create the number of portfolio you want. Maybe you want to just test one portfolio and see maybe how much this one gonna make money, or you want to make your real one. So example, if I create my real one, I'm gonna add inside the portfolio page, I'm gonna say add coin. So you're gonna click on this thing and you're gonna say, I want to add, example, Bitcoin. So you're gonna add Bitcoin and you're gonna enter the price as you pay. Like, I mean, I don't want you to like to connect with your account. I don't want to rock with the security. But for showing the live graph and everything, I'm gonna plug with the API for getting the update of the price. So what I want to do, it's example, if you say, hey, I pay 2 Bitcoin, so I put 10,000 bucks. I put 2 Bitcoin at 10,000 bucks, and now both give you like 11,000. I'm gonna say you are in profit of 1,000 for this week, example. And I'm gonna put like other coin market stuff, like example here. When you click on one of the things, they always show like 1 day, 7 day, a month, 3 months, a year. So this is what I want to do too, and I'm gonna make that with the day. I'm gonna try to do the most. I mean, this project just came me in my head like 1 hour and a half ago. So surely Don's gonna be the most awesome, and I'm not a designer, so I'm gonna just really check. Yeah. I think this is the one I want here. So what I'm gonna do, first thing, I think I need to install this library. So this is rechart. I'm gonna say yarn add rechart. Chart is with CR. Yeah, see. Maybe I'm gonna go to the GitHub. I always look at the docs. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. Yeah, I was thinking about like maybe like use kind of other language for doing the mathematical if I have too much to do, because I know JavaScript is not the best thing to do with this. But if I can use some JavaScript library for this, I'm gonna make use of this. I'm gonna add rechart. So after that, I just want to have like a really simple design for this page here. So I'm gonna just import pchart from rechart. Okay, so this is how that works. Okay, so it's really simple. Oh, it's really simple. Thing you need to do. So I'm gonna put that. So we're gonna import really p, and we need tooltip. And after that, I need some data. So for now, I'm gonna just copy paste what they have. Just forget at least some. I'm gonna do this like this. And now if I go to so I like the animation of this one, but this one don't do, because I put is animation active. So if I think by default they have animation, so that's why. Yeah, okay, I like this. First thing, I want only 1 pi, and no, Chris, it's the first time I did. Yes, it's the first time. I hope you're gonna enjoy. Yeah, boom. npm pi. Oh yeah, pi chill. So you mean must be this one, I think. Okay, so you have access to a Python script. Oh, really good. Thank you, Rust. Thank you. I'm gonna favorite this one. Oh, I'm not logging, so 1 sec. I'm gonna just log. What? Python shell. Yeah. Thank you. So I think that's gonna be what I'm gonna do tomorrow. So now here, this one. You like more green or purple? Oh yeah. Nice. Yeah, I was thinking about using Golang because the other language I know who it's Golang. So oh, nice, nice. You really saved me here. So the label, nice. So here 6 must be the width. So I think 300, 300. Yeah, I think I'm good. I like more this one, but I'm gonna just change. So what I think P chart. Okay, so here you put a size. So and you see 6. Okay, so this is 300 from the X axis and 300. So if we have like F2, yeah. So I think if I go this way, gonna be at the center. So I know what I know. So that means they must have a style here where I can put a background color of red. Okay, so this is what I think. So if I want to put this thing in the middle, first thing, I don't like the width, it's too much. So I hope I can maybe put a width. So I'm inside my parent, so I just want to get 100% of my parent. So I'm inside, but what happen? So they don't like percentage. Yeah. Responsive container. Must be this. Pi responsive. Oh, wow. So you wrap. Nice. So you import responsive container and you wrap your P chart with this. And after that, from what I've seen, looks like you can remove your height and width. And now you're gonna follow. Yeah. But now what happened, it's my flex box. My flex box by default, it take the row. So here what I want is my flex direction to become columns. So if I do this, now my portfolio page here, so the title and this thing's gonna be, maybe not. So what I pen, use that edit. Okay. So I need to change that to data key. No, I don't think it's this thing. Okay. P chart. Don't have a lot of comment. So they say data key, but they mean maybe value key. Value key here inside the P. The key of each sector. Okay. So what I think they happen, it's they want this name. Yeah, but I mean this thing don't make my app don't render, so I'm gonna keep it for now. I don't want to have CXCY. I think if I don't do this, it's gonna stay in the middle. Yeah. Now I have like that. Now what happened here? Oops. Too much React Native. Yeah, perfect. Oh, oh boy. Okay. So look like I'm gonna have to. Oh, thank you, Chris. So yeah, sorry. I've learned English for learning to code. So, but yeah, thank you. So I need to say the O. Yeah. So now the pchar here. So what I think is the responsive container don't gonna stop. So I can set a height. Yeah, good idea. So you can just put a height here. So what I want, it's this thing. I don't want to be more than like 50% of the page. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna say height of 50% and I'm gonna run prettier. So now if I do this, yeah, maybe if I say 100%, oops. So 100% finally, I think I'm gonna stop there. No, yeah. So maybe what is better is just to put a real height. Like I think 400 px can be good. Oh yeah, because it's a number, you put that like this. Yeah, perfect. We stop here. I mean, it's not a design. So I'm gonna remove the red. At least this thing is really bad. So now I have data. Perfect. So I'm gonna have this portfolio page gonna change to the name of the portfolio. So maybe like a my portfolio, like that. After that, what I want at the bottom here, it's like where I'm gonna put the news. So what I can see for the news, it's what I want to do. It's I want to scrape Coindesk or something like that who give some news about cryptocurrency, and what I want is I'm gonna check for news about the crypto you have saved in this portfolio. So you have a save example Bitcoin and Ethereum only. You just gonna get this news about this two. So that's why I want to have the news. So I'm gonna put that right there. So inside my left wrapper, I'm gonna say const news wrapper equal a style of div, and this one just for now I'm gonna say a 500 px of height, and I'm gonna see a background color of fe I think, maybe not f c2 just a bit darker, and I'm gonna put that right after my picture, just like that. I just want to get the square at the place. So this thing, so 500 is too much. I'm gonna say 400. Yeah, just for now. So gonna be good there. After that, I don't like this thing, so I'm gonna change that. So this thing, and what I'm gonna do with my cards. So what I've done is I've created a component where I put my card is right there. And my cards, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say const c equal style for cards. And what I'm gonna do right there, I'm gonna say height of 300, and my image I'm gonna say 150. No, too much. 100. So the third. So now she's gonna be there. Yeah, perfect. I think that's a good size, but what is this weird thing? So I have my right wrapper. What I'm gonna say, I'm gonna say justify contain. I'm gonna say space around. Yeah. So if I do this, I'm gonna get space between each of them. But what happened here? Oh, I know why. It's because this, no. Oh, I'm not an Android developer. I mean, I do React Native, but I don't do Android Native. What is that? Oh, boom. I have some margin here. So what I'm gonna do? So I'm gonna go to core and I'm gonna say margin 0. I need to say px, I think. Yeah, px. What? You are that card? You are that card? You are that card. So I just think what I can do, like you are that card, margin 0. Ah, looks like this thing have worked. So I'm gonna just remove it from my portfolio here. 8 when I don't have my control. So now I have like that, and maybe you're gonna have 3 other ones. So I'm gonna have 6. Now I have too much. So what I need to do? So if I remember in Flexbox, what I need to manage, it's my right wrapper. Gonna have nailing items of flex start, and I'm gonna say flex wrap equal wrap. I think this is what I need to do. Kind of. Okay, yeah, so this is what happened. It's because I can enter 3 there. I can enter 4, that's why. So what I'm gonna do, it's because I take the full width, so I'm gonna say width of 80% of my parent, and I'm gonna just say align self center, so I don't gonna be in the left of it. Okay, no, my align self came here. Hey John, yes, I'm building a portfolio tracker for cryptocurrency because I've started to investing in that. And so what I need to do is you're gonna create your portfolio and you're gonna have like all your Qwen here with your portfolio there, and here you're gonna have your news, and when you click on one of your Qwen, you can get to a graph. And yeah, just something really quick. I think about that like this today, and I just want to build this thing really quick. So what I think I'm gonna do, so here I have my right wrapper, and I'm gonna say Concord wrapper. I'm gonna say this one active div. This one's gonna have a width of this. I'm gonna have the display flex. After that, you're gonna have all this thing. And now this one, I'm gonna say justify contain center. So my card wrapper, I'm gonna just wrap these two things. Yeah, perfect. It worked now. So now I have just too much space between all of them, but I maybe know why. It's because my right wrapper, really good to put background color. Yes, rechart. So what I'm gonna say, it's my height of this thing. It's gonna be only 80% of is parent. Yeah, like this. Yeah. And I'm maybe gonna put some padding top here of 10, just because I don't like when you almost touch the yeah, maybe better to put that inside my card wrapper. So now oh, you know what? If I do this, I'm gonna get it right in the middle, and now I'm gonna just can put like my load more here. So this is the only thing I need to do for the design. After that, I'm gonna start to do some data and some logic. I hate when I need to do too much UI. So the only thing I need to build it's a button. So just because I'm too lazy for now to create one, I think I'm gonna take one from, they must have button somewhere, yeah. And they have, yeah, this one, it's pretty, the one I want. So it's a button, right? From semantic UI React. And after that, you say primary. I think I like more secondary. So I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go to right there, and I'm gonna say load more. So that's gonna be there only if you have more than 6 cryptocurrency inside this one. So now what happened? It's my right wrapper is flex direction row. So we can change that by doing colon. So now my load more is gonna be at the bottom. Yeah, it's pretty much what I want. So yeah, like this, like that. Maybe I can just auto radius. What mean auto radius? P auto radius. So if I want to have height and width, because right now it's really small. P chart. The height of a chart. So the chart can have a height of 300 and a width of 300. Yeah. Not sure about this. Something I can check later. So now I have this. The only thing it's here. So what I should have done, it's my wrapper here. I've I think I can do this with padding. I can say padding 0 from the top, 10 from the right, 0 from the bottom, 10. So I think I can just do this. Yeah, perfect. So now it's a bit less squeeze. Name of portfolio. That have the news wrapper. So I think I can just create a component called news. Portfolio news. And I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna just take the first wrapper for now. After that, I'm gonna just I need that, and I'm gonna say so. This news wrapper, I think I'm gonna create that as a class because I think it's this one's gonna be connect. So I'm gonna surely use GraphQL for that with Apollo. It's gonna be easier to get a real-time update. So here, this one's gonna be like that a component because I'm gonna need to do some kind of logic because this component is gonna be plugged to my API and get real-time update inside news about the crypto you have entered. So I'm gonna just say news wrapper like this, and now I think I'm gonna just put like maybe not a H1 is too big, but like a H4 say news, your news, just for now. And yeah, like this, and now I can just take it like that. Let's say portfolio news, and now I'm gonna just change my news wrapper for that, and I can remove this one. So now if I go, so your news, yeah, perfect. So now this one's gonna be his own component. This thing surely is gonna be his own component, so I must portfolio chart, portfolio pie chart, because I'm gonna maybe have more than I'm gonna just take this thing. Again, this one, I'm gonna surely plug this one with that. Now I'm gonna just take the name. I'm gonna go there, boom, like that, boom, boom, like this, and now finally right there. P chart port. Oh. Oh yeah, it's really easy, John. Like you just plug. I'm using Apollo, and you just plug subscription with that, and they're gonna do the job for you. You just need to do like kind of a pub sub pattern in your server to make it work, and you just subscribe to it in your front end. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that. Yeah, so nothing crazy. So this is what I've done for yet. So when you're gonna jump on your portfolio, you're gonna have that. All your Ethereum. Now when I want, it's when I'm gonna click on which one of them, I'm gonna get one. So what I'm maybe gonna do, yeah. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. It's I think yeah. So I'm gonna take this. So when I click on one of them, when I click on one of the crypto, what I want, it's pretty simple. It's I'm maybe gonna take this thing and keep this thing here. But when you click on one of the crypto, now I'm gonna have a big graph on this one. So this thing is gonna be the graph about the one you use, and I'm gonna make it the graph working. So I think I've Siri chart. They have I think I've seen that in the example. They have yeah, like this, like you can so this way my user can say, oh, I want to see that for like the past 3 months. So we can just take like how many months, and maybe I'm gonna put like a selector where I'm gonna say, oh, take it is a week and not in a month. Yeah, I think this is the thing I'm gonna do. So now I can just set up that. I like when I just do the like a really big design, really basic design. So this way I can just so what I want is if I click on that, so portfolio card. I think my portfolio card is connect with React Router. Portfolio card, I have no connection with React Router. So what I can do, it's I think it's gonna be easier to do this from the chart. So the chart have access to the router. No, but I can make it access. I'm gonna say import with router from React Router DOM. I'm gonna say with router here, and now I'm gonna say go to coin, and I'm gonna say I need to have the coin. So I'm gonna say this that props that history that push, and I'm gonna say portfolio. I think if I do this, I just add I'm gonna say coin like that. No. And now, oh, I'm not in the good place, sorry. I'm really not at the good place. Sorry about this. It's not at this point, it's my portfolio page. And this one is connected with the router, I'm sure. Portfolio page, yeah, is connected with the router, so I don't need. So here I can create my go-to coin. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say go-to, and I'm gonna say this one. When I'm gonna click on this thing, I'm gonna say go-to, and just because I know they all, I think I make a typo. It's Ethereum. It's with the, I'm really bad in the. So this is what I'm gonna do, and now because I want to, I read that from. I want to just fake because now it's really. I'm gonna say length of 6, and I'm gonna say dot map, and I'm gonna say take this one, and inside my map, my first argument I don't want it, but I want the index, and I'm gonna say key of I. Where I did the array from this one, I'm gonna create an array with 6 for the length. And now in my portfolio card, I'm gonna just say go to, and what I'm gonna say it's on click go to. So everything still work, but now you see I can now click and do nothing. Push state. Oh yeah, because I didn't create the route. So I don't know if I will use the card. The thing is, do I really need to, I can just click on this one and maybe use, if I click on this one, like right now, I don't think that's the, it's, I don't maybe want to open another screen, because right now you see like that don't make sense because I'm already there. And maybe the only thing I need to do finally, it's when I click on that, I'm gonna hide all of them and I'm gonna show my, I think that's the best idea about this. Yeah, really good idea. So how we can manage this, I'm gonna just set up that with state, and I'm gonna say show coin, who's gonna be null by default. When I'm gonna click on coin, don't gonna say go coin. I'm gonna say show coin. I'm gonna take the coin, and you're gonna that set state show coin with the coin. After that, here, what I'm gonna do, it's if show coin, it's null. I'm gonna show the thing I have right now. Else, for now I'm gonna show hello world, hello, and I'm gonna just pass the coin I'm supposed to have like. So I'm gonna say this that state that show coin. So now I'm gonna just change this show coin. It's gonna be Ethereum like that. So it's gonna be the name of the coin. That's it. And this thing is this that state. Yeah, I think that's the best idea. So now if I click on one, yeah, hello Ethereum, yeah. But if I do this, I don't want to show anymore this button. Okay, yeah. So it's better for me if I step this thing one step further like that. And now I take this one. Oh boy. It's better for me if I, yeah. It's better for me if I remove this, remove that, remove this, take it, go there, take everything I have from the red wrapper because you need one parent, and now I can say my hello right there because I don't want my button a little more in the other page. So now I can say Ethereum and I get hello Ethereum. But I can still use the card wrapper because the card wrapper gonna give me the design I want. Like that. Yeah, so now I think it's oh I can go back. I'm gonna just put can just put like something really simple like that where I can have an like I don't know, like kind of an arrow. Yeah. So I think I can just do this with icon, and I think semantic UI give us icon. So they must have back arrow. Well, they have the okay. Arrow left. So how you do this? You say don't. You say icon and you put the name. Oh, pretty easy. Icon, and here I'm gonna just say icon with the name of arrow left. That's it. So when I click on one, boom, I get this thing. It's really small. Size. I want it to be huge. Size huge. Maybe not huge. Finally, it's just big. But this one I want it to be a button, so they must show how to do icon, border, circular. Yeah, but I mean it's not. I think I can just add a on click, and this thing is gonna just reset coin. Like that. Yeah, good. This icon. I'm gonna take the icon. And how you say that? How you say that to have the or change button to go back? Oh yeah, that's a good idea. I think I like more this way. I'm gonna take this button, I'm gonna put that there, I'm gonna say back, and I'm gonna say on click it, this the reset. Boom, back. Yeah, that's gonna be perfect for this. So we're gonna see Ethereum. So just for see if my thing is working, I'm gonna create an array here of name. I'm gonna say Bitcoin. I'm gonna say name. I'm gonna say IOTA. Say name Ripple. Name Lisk. Name I'm gonna say Ethereum. This is the only one I cannot type. I don't know why. And I'm gonna say name of. I want just 6 because of my design. So Bitcoin, IOTA, Ripple, Lisk. Oh, I have some Neo too. So. Yeah, cursor pointer, yeah, thank you. Yeah, sometime. So now if I click on this one, Lisk, yeah. And now because now I can just spread the item name, and I'm gonna go to portfolio card, and now here I can just say this that prop that name. And I crash everything, and I get cannot read props. Oh, it's a function. Yeah. So I'm gonna need to go because I have something tonight. Yeah. Yeah, but this is what I was looking with Zip. So I'm gonna coming back to, tonight later. I just need to go and eat some food. I'm almost passing out. So I hope you enjoyed this thing. Let me know if you like me to do some live streaming. I mean, maybe that can help some of us, some of you. So I'm gonna finish this one. So I hope you enjoy, and I'm gonna continue this one after tonight.